Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix your voice mod not working. So basically just microphone issues. One thing you can try to do is use this option over here so you can hear yourself, then your microphone is obviously working. So go to the settings over here, make sure your audio input is on the microphone that you're using. So go ahead and choose from the options to your microphone, of course. Next you're going to want to go to your device settings, just search settings up, but you will be able to find this. Go to your system, go to sound, go to your inputs, and make sure your input is set to voice mod. You can also put the voice mod option as a default device, that way you won't have to set or manually set it. Apps that need an input device to voice mod, since most app will choose the default device. And in our case, the voice mod will now be default. So just go ahead and put it as a default, you won't have to manually do it on every app. But that's pretty much how you can potentially fix this problem and set up properly at least. You can also try opening up Voicemod as an administrator as well when you right click and open the app. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.